area to go in your house to relax, calm yourself, recenter your emotions is beneficial for so many reasons. Join me today as we talk about how to create a relaxation room or relaxation area right in your own home. We all have super busy lives. Most of the time we spend at work or driving our cars to and from work. We're hardly ever at home. Let's make a concerted effort to slow down, relax, and create a space within our own house that is beneficial to our well-being. Let's go over a few tips and tricks to make our home a peaceful place that we want to go at the end of our hectic workday. First, choose your space. Are you going to create an entire room as your relaxation place, or just like a corner of the room? Neither one is wrong. You can make your whole entire house a relaxation space if you want. Just choose your area and we'll get started. 2. Add some plants or fresh cut flowers to your relaxation area. Plants not only smell good, but they look beautiful. If you don't have any plants, you can find tons of groups online where people give away free cuttings all the time. Join a group, make some friends, and get yourself a few plants. 3. Add some candles for an air of relaxation and calmness. Stay away from the candles that have a strong smell. We're trying to recenter ourselves in this area, not smell the roses literally. However, candles can be a great thing for your calm area. 4, get yourself a rug. If you have hardwood floors, get yourself a soft, squishy, comfortable rug to sit on. We want this space to not only feel inviting, but look inviting as well. And a rug, a nice, comfy rug, can really make all the difference. 5, choose an area with natural sunlight. Sunlight can lift your mood, lift your spirit, make you feel better. Don't block the sunlight out with curtains. Open the drapes, let the sun in, and let it wash over your body. 6, surround yourself with comfy throw pillows, with lap blankets that are super comfy, with a few of your favorite books. Surround yourself with things that are going to help you to be calm, to center yourself, to get away from the hectic world and bring everything back to you. 7, when designing this space, stay away from bright colors. You want natural colors. Greens, blues, grays, yellows, whites, beige, things that are going to be relaxing. Neon pink and purple and all of those are not relaxing colors. They do not tell the mind it is time to focus. They tell the mind it is time to party. So whenever you're creating your space, choose the right colors for all of the items. 8, remove the clutter. Clutter can be distracting, make us feel unorganized, and neither of those things are what we're trying to have happen in our calm space. Replace the clutter with family photos, or some of your favorite books, a few plants, some fresh cut flowers from the garden. Just get rid of all the clutter, make it a nice, simple area for you to be in. For many of us, creating a calm space does not come naturally. We're so used to these chaotic and frenzied lives we have, whether it's due to relationships, work, kids, family, doesn't matter. Life can be very, very chaotic. It's okay to have a space to go in your home that relaxes you. And using these tips that I provided, you can do just that. Here are a few places in my house that I have created as calm areas. I really enjoy having a spot to go where I can recenter myself, recollect my thoughts, and I feel as if whenever I step out of my room or whichever calm area that I'm in at that time, it helps me to feel like I can face the world again. And that's what I want for you. So your calm area could be a bedroom, a living room, a bathroom. It doesn't matter. Just pick it, create it, and go feel better. Please subscribe to my channel for daily DIY and organizational videos. Please share this video with your friends and on all of your social media. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how your quiet space turned out, or if you have any other tips for creating a quiet space. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.